Click on the link below to see price. Best Portable Power Station 2022. Here are some products we've looked at: BLUETTI EB240, Jackery Explorer 1500, Pecron E3000, BLUETTI AC200 Max and Goal Zero Yeti 1500X. Each one has its pros and cons, but we'll go over the basics in this video. Number 1, BLUETTI EB240. BLUETTI EB240 Power Station, 2400 watt-hours, huge capacity solar power station with a wide 14 to 68 volts/max. 500 watts/10A solar input, MPPT, allowing recharge from AC wall outlet and solar panel. To 110 volts AC outlet, pure sine wave, can load max 1000 watts devices continuously. Regulated DC 12V protector. This portable power station features a battery management system, built-in automobile level 3C high-rate battery cell and multi-protection BMS battery management system. Design: extend battery life through short circuit, overcurrent/overvoltage, overload/overheating protection. This environmentally friendly and maintenance-free device is ideal for use in field work, events, construction, and even for home power backup. Number 2, Jackery Explorer 1500. The Jackery Explorer 1500 works with 1800 wattage and the 1534 watt-hours capacity. Solid and practical for devices, power tools, and even larger appliances such as electric stoves, electric microwave ovens and refrigerators. Fantastic charging: phones, appliances, and other devices can all be plugged into the Jackery Explorer 1500. The portable generator comes equipped with a variety of outlets to comfortably support your outdoor life, and supports pass-through charging while its battery life is protected. Number 3, Pecron E3000. Massive capacity E3000 power station with the 3108 watt-hours capacity, 2000 wattage rated power surge 4000 watts, is a good backup battery used for home and outdoor activities, such as camping, tourism, fishing, emergency, etc. High conversion efficiency up to 21%, turn more sunlight into clean energy and perform better than conventional panels in hot weather. Number 4, the BLUETTI AC200 Max. AC200 Max features a 2200 watts pure sine wave inverter, 4800 watts surge, and a 2048 watt-hours high capacity, that combined with two XP230 battery modules can boost to 6144 watt-hours in total. 22 outputs, power for all. AC200 Max has 16 versatile outlets, including 4 AC, 1 MPPT 138 Super DC. The ultra-stable lithium phosphate battery and premium BMS ensures 3500 plus life cycles to 80%, nearly 5 times the lifespan of the average battery cells. Number 5, the Goal Zero Yeti 1500's reliable portable power. With a lithium-ion battery at its core, the Goal Zero Yeti 1500X equips you with safe, clean, portable power for camping, tailgating, off-grid events, workshops, and emergency home backup. This portable power station is a rugged, compact, and lightweight portable power source. Its lithium-ion batteries have excellent heat dissipation, are free of harmful fumes, and come with a flashing SOS signal. Choosing the best portable power station for off-grid living depends on the amount of power that you need. A 200 watt-hour battery is sufficient for small electronic devices like a laptop. It can also be used for running blenders, coffee pots, and fridges. If you need more power, you can choose a larger GE. Click on the link below to see price.